Now I am continuing the last video. Another events of League of Nation. So introduction itself I said. How was League of Nation formed? League of Nation founded officially on January 20 in the year 1920. The Covenant of League of Nation was worked out at the Paris Peace Conference. Actually, what is mean by covenant? Covenant means contractual agreement passed by allied countries. And all those countries know they have passed many treaties. All those treaties included in the League of Nation. So, which was everything due to the pressure of Woodrow Wilson. So, we can say also Woodrow Wilson mainly founder of the League of Nation and also for forming the constitution of the League of Nation. America and Britain ideas were followed. There were prevailed. Now we are going to see structures of League of Nation. The structure of League of Nation which have five main organs or five major organs in the League of Nation. One is the General Assembly. Then second one is the Council. The next one is the Secretariat. The next one is the International Court of Justice or the Permanent Court of Justice. Then last one is International Labour Organization. So in League of Nation, five main organs in the League of Nation. First, the Secretariat. The headquarters of Secretariat was located at Geneva. The first Secretary General was elected from Britain. The first Secretary name was Sir Eric Drummond. He was came from Britain. Next the council. The council has totally 15 members, 10 non-permanent members and 5 permanent members. 5 permanent members. They are Britain, France, Italy, Japan and the United States. The next one, International Court of Justice or Permanent Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice, the headquarters is at The Hague. You know, The Hague is in the Switzerland. So, the consist of 15 judges. So, which will decide the cases of member countries. So, how many member countries in the League of Nation? 16 members are there in the League of Nation. Next, objectives of the League of Nation. What are the main objectives of League of Nation? So, which wanted to avoid war in future and maintain peace, which wanted to promote international cooperation in social and economic affairs. It should improve the unity among the nation and keep peace and security in the world. So the member nation of the league should respect and safeguard the frontiers of neighboring nation without indulging any act of the aggression. The member nations should have solved problem only through the League of Nations. They should wait at least for 3 months to hear from the League of Nations. If any of the member nation would indulge in the war, violating the condition of the League, the affected nations would be saved, even by restoring to the weapons of the war, which will decide and also give support to solve the problems between the countries. A League of Nations felt very difficult in the beginning in achieving its goal because absence of three great powers. Who were absent? Three great powers. What are the three great powers? They were not members of the League of Nations: Germany, USA and Russia. Germany defeated nation. USA did not become a member. USA, which was founder but could not member of a League of Nations. And Russia also did not become a member of League of Nations. But Germany joined the League of Nations in the year 1926. Russia has become a member of League of Nations in the year 1934. So after that, which have achieved many achievements. While Germany resigned in 1933 or left the League of Nations in the year 1933, Russia also came out from the League of Nations in the year 1939. Next one is activities of the League of Nations or achievements of League of Nations. Achievements means between 1920 to 95, which has solved many conflict, which has solved three major issues. One is problem between or conflict between Sweden and Finland over the Åland island, which was solved. According to the League of Nations, Åland was given to Finland. Next, the problem between, that is frontier problem between the Poland and Germany, that was also solved by the League of Nations. Then third problem is the third dispute was between Greece and Bulgaria. In the year 1925, Greece invaded Bulgaria and the League ordered. After ceasefire, after investigation, it blamed Greece and decided that Greece was to pay war reparation. Thus, the League of Nations had been successful until signing of the Locarno Treaty of 1925. By this treaty, Germany, France, Belgium, Great Britain, and Italy. So, as per the Treaty of Locarno, the member of League of Nations should give mutual guarantees on the Western Europes or Western Front. And then, after 2 years, America and Russia have interfered in the non-political activities of the League of Nations. Now, we are going to see violation and failure of the League of Nations. Especially Germany, Italy and Japan, they have violated. They have come out of the League of Nations. They have violated law and order of the League of Nations. They have started to dictator form of government. Dictatorship of government, Germany in Nazism, Italy in fascism, Japan militarism. Actually, the member of League of Nations should not have any armament forces. In 1925, the Council, which is one of the organ of League of Nations, the Council who have arranged for disarmament conference, which was conducted in the year 1932, in which Germany, the ruler of Hitler, demanded for ornamental force. For with whom? France. So what happened? League of Nations opposed. So Germany come out from the League of Nations in the year 1933. And Japan attacked and captured Manchuria in the year 1931. But this was also opposed by the League of Nations. So Japan also come out of the League of Nations. And Italy attacked on Ethiopia. Italy invaded Ethiopia and captured Ethiopia, which was also opposed by League of Nations. So Italy come out of the League of Nations in the year 1937, and Russia wanted to capture Finland. So this was also opposed by League of Nations. So Russia come out of League of Nations in the year 1939. Finally, the League of Nations was dissolved in the year 1946. Next, we are going to see failure of the League of Nations. The League of Nations was founded in the year 1920 after World War I, but failed to maintain peace during World War II. It was to be a group of nations that worked together to keep peace. One of the reasons for its downfall was that after a vote, the American public refused to join the League of Nations. The United States of America, whose president was responsible for founding the League of Nations, but America could not become a member of League of Nations. So the League of Nations looked like a building without deep foundation. So the League of Nations members, whenever were not happy with the altitude of the league, they were permitted to go out. The League of Nations did not have a permanent force or army in its own to implement its policies. The rise of dictatorship in Italy and Japan and Germany weakened the chances of success of League. The League also had no troops of its own and the decision it made were often slow. For example, when the Empire Japan invaded Manchuria in 1931, the League took a whole year to make a decision. When it came, Japan ignored it. The League condemned it more quickly, but Italy merely quit the League of Nations. After this disaster, the League was thought to be weak and powerless and stopped the operation in 1939. Since it lacked the military power of its own, it could not enforce its decision. The founder of this peace organization underestimated the power of nationalism. The principle of collective security would not be applied in actual practices. Today class, we learned Russian Revolution and its impact. Then provincial government, failure of provincial government, League of Nations, structures and composition of League of Nations, what are the objectives of League of Nations, activities of the League of Nations, then violation, then last one is causes for the failure of the League of Nations. Next class, I will explain about economics first lesson, gross domestic product and its growth and introduction. Please note down the assignment. Today assignment, 2 marks, highlight the global influence of Russian Revolution. List out any 2 causes for the failure of the League of Nations. Then detail. Explain the course of the Russian Revolution under the leadership of Lenin. The next one, estimate the work done by the League of Nations, pointing out the reason for its failure. Thank you, students.